Di ba, it's like cigarette, di ba? Hanggang ngayon. Tapos, I mean, in your dream, natutulog ka, and then, parang nagising ka. Parang, hala, sa bahay na ako, yay. Parang gano'n. Ay, sarap ng feeling, I'm home na. Parang I wake up, nandun ako sa room ko, itsura na ceiling ng room ko. And then, ginagawa ko yung mga normal things. Ginagawa ko. Run outside. And then, with my family, friends, mga normal talaga ginagawa. And then, bigla magigising. Ala, dito pa pala ako. Parang, I'm so sad talaga.
Ganon talaga because you've never been away from home.
I've been away for a year.
You were away from home for a year? But you're just not used to not talking to them.
Yeah,
for this long.
Every week kasi pinupunta nila ako before.
Pero at least, di ba, for me, you were able to talk to your mom. Ako, I haven't even seen her in almost over a year na. Di ba? And I'm used to hearing from her, but, di ba, I guess maybe iba sa akin kasi lalaki, but I still have that connection with my mom, no? I'm sad also because I miss her so much, but at least you got to talk to her. And you know, when you get out of here, makikita mo siya. Ako, she's probably still in the States, you know what I mean? My mom is most likely in the States. So, you know what I mean? So, dapat mag-find ka ng comfort na, be it what happens this Saturday, you know? You still have another additional week. I mean, because baka sa tingin ko, baka you're not the lowest one.
You know, weird, you know what? Kanina.
You just went with bottom 3, but I don't think you're the
pero
lowest.
in ko na sa bottom 3 ako. I wasn't sad. I was happy. Weird doon eh. It means na gusto ko, parang I wanna go out na.
You wanna go home already?
Yeah. Ayoko na ganun. Ayoko lang na-realize. Parang, hala, ba't gusto ko na umuwi? Hindi pwede to. I don't want this feeling. And then,
you don't feel, diba?
Parang ayoko na ganito. Ang lahili at di ba? Parang they can see me.
Yeah, they're the ones seeing you.
Pero ako, hindi ko sila makita.
Oo.
And then,
ganun din. But what if, look, my mom, she's watching me from the States, no?
Yeah. My God.
See, you're so lucky that, I bet you, even if you did get out of here, who's gonna pick you up?
Oh, yeah.
Diba? She's gonna be like the first person to pick you up. So, isipin mo, if you were ever to leave yung academy, siya ang pinakaunang tao makikita mo, yung mami mo. Eh, diba, nakita mo din. Ha?
Ano lang ako magbubot konti lang. Para mawala yung speed.
Hala, di ba sa South lalo yun? Just feel bad. Kasi, dapat hindi ganito eh. But it doesn't mean I'm gonna quit Ako, I'm not a quitter talaga. I really like this.
But even if you're not even, you know what I mean? You still have, you know what I mean?
Oh.
First of all, you got to talk to your mom. So you should find, mahanap ka ng comfort doon.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah.
Then number 2, you've come a long way also. We've come a long way in terms of like what we've learned here. Diba?
And they don't want me to go home for sure. Ayaw pa nila.
Your parents?
I know. Ayaw pa nila.
No, but, you know, I mean, that's why just, you know, just remember you got to speak to your mom. She said everything's fine, diba? I'm sure everything's fine. Because kung may importante doon sa labas, sasabihin nila sa'yo, diba? If ever. Then number 2, diba, it's a once in a lifetime thing.
Exactly.
After this, the career, if a career happens from this, it starts from there. Diba, we have 5 weeks left if we stay that long, which I'll make it to top 6. If you want, you can make it to top 6 also. Diba? Diba? So, I mean, don't be so depressed. You know what I mean? Just remember, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. What's one more month? What's one more month? We've been here for 2 already. Almost 2. On the 14th, we'll be on we'll finish our 3rd. We're starting our 3rd on the 14th. 3rd month na. Can you imagine? We're already top 9. Imagine, we're gonna lose? Look, top 9. Tatlo pa. 2 more pa. That's it.
Yeah.
9, 8, 7. Exactly. She optimist din, diba? For me, and she got to talk to her mom. Us, diba? I haven't even spoken to my mom.
Yun din iniisip ko.
naman doon talaga eh. Super simple lang. Practice. Kasi yun na lang magagawa nating lahat kung may gusto tayong i-improve sa performance. Tsaka nandito naman kami lahat eh. Kung nadadown ka, kung kailangan mo ng help sa song.
Palagi na nga akong nagtatanong. Tapos syempre nagtakot din ako kasi wala nang boses.
O di chop-chopin mo yung una, kanta muna, tapos sunod patulong ka kay Apple sa sa choreo mo.
Huwag mo na akong problemahin.
O kaya tawagin mo kami dalawa kapag kunyari papakita mo yung performance mo kung paano mo siya i-execute sa Saturday.
Yun na nga yun, nahihiya din ako kay Apple.
May second day bukas mo.
Oo, 7.
Yun na nga yun, gagawin ko sana ngayon ay mag-practice. Tapos ano ko pang naisip.
Pero memorize mo na yung song.
Ipa. Ay, ano lang, konti na lang memorize. Dali lang naman yun. Two stanzas na.
Gusto mo?
Kapal mo ba?
Tapos parang alam mo yun. Ano ba song kakantayin natin?
Hindi ko pa alam.
Happy birthday?
Mukha. Kung wala talaga tayo maisip, kung doon tayo mahuhuli.
Anong games? Kasi ang liliit pa nun eh. Trip to Jerusalem. Ano pa?
May longest line.
That's right.
Tapos yung pinakamahabang happy birthday. Kailangan isama yung pinakamahabang happy birthday kasi kasama yun sa breath flow. Happy birthday, Rizzy! Hindi may pinakamahaba.
Ang galing.
Bigay ang puso mo sa akin.
Longest line. Ano pa? Ay, ang weird ng mga games ko. Gusto yung basagan ng itlog, mga ganon.
May mga talong na
Yung mga
ganun. Diba?
Oo, tapos yung may mga tawag dito. Mga flower na gumaganon sa mukha.
Mag-boil kaya tayo ng itlog. Tapos yung saluhan. Kung sino yung makahulog.
Para hindi sila madamihan.
Para kung